This is the last time we're gonna talk to you.
There we go.
Oh, he can't even get on the bike.
Yeah, wait till you get on the road. This is all fucked up here.
Alright.
Oh.
Hey, it's easier if you run down the hill.
Dumb shit.
Go up that way to get used to this first.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
That's a good idea. You're smart.
I think a little bit.
Right after that.
There we go.
Archery tournament.
What?
And now he has a road rash bald head.
You guys are mean.
Okay, here he comes. Bald head.
Don't hit me! He's gonna hit me. Fucker. Don't die! Don't die!
Oh!
You missed, motherfucker!
Oh!
Nope, no good.
Do it, Wasad. Pose for the camera, sexy.